Hey guys, this is your girl Cassie. Welcome back to my cooking channel, Flavor Fusion with moi. And for today, conversation is all about the World Cup and Haiti because Haiti is in the World Cup for the first time, well, for the second time, basically. And today, I want to share a couple of recipes with you if you are hosting any parties or a wash party, and also a bit about the culture. So for today's recipe, guys, we are making tasso. So this is goat meat. So tasso, it's Creole, but really it's goat. It's fried goat. It's an authentic fried goat, and I will tell you what's in there for a moment. And of course, you cannot have tasso without either fried plantain, especially if it's for a wash party, for a party. So you do want to have either plantain. But for me today, I am going to use Accra. So this is Tyro. This is it here. This is what I'm using. Okay. I just want you guys to see. They do have two types. They have purple and white. I'm using both, but I just want to show you guys. And in mine, I am actually using crab meat. So some people use chicken, but of course, I have to add my spin into it, so it's gonna be crab meat. And of course, you cannot have any fried meat without basically our famous pickles. And I will tell you all about it, why with the names and everything is different, basically for those of you who don't know what they are. And this is some of the other ingredients that I will be using here, not a whole lot. So shallot here, so I have a seasoning salt, sea salt, I have white pepper, powdered garlic, and of course like some garlic. And then of course we have like our habanero pepper here, my spices, which is my Creole spice or a piece, however you want to call it, smoked paprika, and lemon juice, and then vinegar. So of course we need oil, so we do have that. So let's get started. For our tasso, we are about to cook it. The reason why I already seasoned the tasso, because the more you let it rest in the seasoning that you have, the better, the flavor will be. So basically, I wash this meat here, and all I have in there is salt, and I have some salt. I have this habanero pepper. As you can see, I have bay leaves. I meant to say feuilles laurier. And I also have dry thyme in here. I have I do have a bit of allspice in there, so I'm not using a lot of spice. I have fresh garlic, and it's been basically in this seasoning with also vinegar for about 2 hours or more. So it was in the fridge, so that's why I didn't show you guys like the process when I add everything in there, because I want it to be in the seasoning. So we're gonna cook this here before we fry it for about 45 minutes or so. Here's our goat. I'm gonna let it steam first before I add water. And again, this is the technique that basically in Haitian cooking they have been doing, that if you let the meat steam first with its own juice and the spices, so the flavor basically penetrate the meat either like faster, or also it retain the flavor better. So I'm gonna let it basically steam first with its own juice in here before I add water in there for it to cook. And by the way, I do have about maybe 1 tablespoon of olive oil in here as well. This is our goat here. It smells so good, and this is all the juice that comes before I add the water. So what am I going to do? I'm gonna add water, but not a whole lot, maybe 2 cups or so, and just let it cook. Oh my gosh, guys, this is your good. I'm tasting it. It's so good. It's also tender, so it's ready also to fry. If you want to put that in an air fryer, you can, because your flavor is totally in there. Basically, it's so delicious, really. But I am okay. There you go, guys. So I'm using the same oil here that I made the akra. I am using that just to make to fry our meat. And really, and we just wait until golden. Look at this, guys. Look how beautiful this meat look. It's golden, it's tender, it's, oh my gosh, it's flavorful. Really, you guys, you have to try this tasso. It's very easy and delicious, really. Look at that. So we're gonna take these out. Look, so beautiful here. Not over fried because we don't want it to be too hard. So basically this is it. It's golden and it's ready.